All right.
So how does the private bootcamp reduce the many months, like to 10 to 12 weeks to complete a core bootcamp? It comes like lesser the month. So how does this a core bootcamp when someone is committed and dedicated? So is it helpful or not? Or what do you think regarding this?
So here, yes, first committed, dedicated. He have to be very hard worker, not like quick learner, but yeah, somehow he have to be, like if because IT is like IT is a different thing than the other, like other technical works or everything, as I said, and as my experience. So yes, first he have to be very committed. He have to be honest. He have to come here with a respectful mindset. Like, yeah, he cannot like that. The student, they cannot think like, yeah, I'm just expending so much money. So, the ground is for me and then I can play as I want. This is not like this. You have to be respectful. Yes, you are using or spending too much money, but you have to use this. You have to be respectful with the sir. You have to be respectful with your private coach. And yeah, last thing, you have to be honest. You cannot lie all the time, or you cannot lie that you didn't went the workshop and you said, yeah, Apu, I just saw the video. And if the student go like this or lying, and there is no way, because Apu will ask for the interview, there is a show and tell, so when Apu just ask the interview question, and then Apu or sir, they will know right away that this student doesn't go with the workshop. They just came here without watching the video, came here for interview. So there is no way to be lying here.
Yep. So I agree. There is no way, because it's a one-on-one. So we are on your back, basically. Want to make sure everything is getting completed in a smooth journey.
Yes.